Yes, hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important concept in human-centered computing, which is called models of interactions. Right. So to begin with, human-centered computing is all about designing systems that focus on the users, as well as how people think and act, then we interact with the technology. So, to design better systems, we need to understand how interaction actually happens. That's where interaction model comes in. So, first, let's understand the basic idea. An interaction model explain how a user communicates with the system, and the user gives input at first. The system is processing it and then provides the exact output. This continuous loops forms the basis of all human-centered connections, right? Then another move to one of the most important model, name is Norman's execution evaluation model. According to this model, interaction happens in a cycle. So the user first set goal, then decide what action to take, then performs that action, and finally evaluates the results. Right. So if the result matches the goal, the interaction is successful. Otherwise, the user tries again. So this is the process is going. Then closely related with this concept in a seven stages of action model. Here, the interactions is broken down into clear steps, step by steps. The user forms a goal first, then plans an action, then execute it, and then observes the system's responses. So finally, interpret it and evaluate whether the goal is achieved or not. So this helps to design, understand where users might face difficulties or challenges. Right? So next we have the above and wheel interaction framework. So here in this model explains interactions using four main components. So first one is the user, the second one is the system, third one is second one is input, third one is system, and the fourth one is output. Right. So it focuses on how information is translated between these components. So here, if the translation is poor, users may misunderstand the system. Now, an important concept in interaction models is the gulf of execution and gulf of evaluation methods. Right. So, gulf of execution refers to how difficult it is for user to perform an action in the system, and the gulf of evaluation refers to how difficult it is for the user to understand the system's responses. So, good design aims to produce reduce both these gaps, right? Like users to perform an actions of the system, and how difficult it is to understand, and how difficult to perform the actions. Right? So let's also look at the direction of manipulation model. These models, in this model here, users interact directly with the objects on the screen. For example, you can see as the dragging a file and clicking a button or zooming an image. These are the areas of users directly interact with the systems. Right, this makes the system more intuitive and this easy for users to use. Right? So another model is the instrumental interaction model. So the instrumental interaction model where tools or instruments acts as intermediary between the users as well as the system. Okay? So this gives users more control and flexibilities to perform the task whatever may be given assigned to do the workers. So what is the overall importance of this model? Here, they help designers understand user behavior first, then predict interaction problems if any problems occurs, and then create systems that are more efficient and usable and user friendly. So I conclude this part as models of interaction are essential in human-centered computing because they guide the design of systems and that self-will to align with human thinking and behaviors. Okay, thank you for watching this video.